stop sounding like a tourist when you order food. After these video, you'll order in Starbucks, McDonald's, and any restaurant like a real American. Let's eat. Starbucks. Can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato with oat milk, extra caramel drizzle?
For here or to go?
To go, please. Can I have a tall pink drink, light ice?
Name for the order?
Anna. McDonald's drive-thru.
Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get a Big Mac meal, medium, Coke no ice, and 6 chicken nuggets?
Anything else?
That's it, thanks. Can I make the fries large and add a McFlurry? Restaurant.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, thanks. Table for 2, please.
Here's the menu. Something to drink first?
I'll have a Diet Coke and a glass of still water, please. Could we have some more napkins?
Of course, right away.
For me, the ribeye steak, medium rare, with mashed potatoes instead of fries. Can you split the check, please?
No problem.
Useful extras. I'm gluten-free. What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is perfect.
Excuse me, my order is cold. Can you heat it up? Everything was delicious, thank you. Fast recap. All keywords in 50 seconds. 1. Grande iced caramel macchiato with oat milk. 2. To go / for here. 3. Big Mac meal, medium, Coke, no ice. 4. Anything else? 5. Table for 2. 6. Still or sparkling? 7. Medium rare / well done. 8. Can you split the check? 9. I'm gluten-free / vegetarian. 10. Keep the change. Quick test. You want coffee with almond milk and no whipped cream. What do you say at Starbucks? Tomorrow. Phone call English. 8 situations you're afraid of. Subscribe plus bell. Never miss a 5 to 9 minute lesson. You just ordered like a native. See you tomorrow.